In this video, I will explain the symbols we will be using for propositional logic. So the first symbol we will use is the ampersand, and that will be used to stand for the English word and. The next symbol is called the wedge, and it looks like a lowercase v, and it's used to stand for the English word or. The next symbol we will call the dash. It's a little squiggly line. It's usually called a tilde, but we're going to call it the dash because that's what Pospisil calls it. And it's used to stand for the English word not. Now note, Pospisil actually uses a dash, a straight line, but I prefer the squiggly line, which is the tilde on your keyboard, which is up in the upper left-hand corner. Usually on your keyboard. I prefer the squiggly line because it stands out a little bit more than the straight line. You can use whichever you like, but my preference is for the squiggly line. Then we have a double arrow, and this will be used to stand for the English expression if and only if. And finally, we have the arrow, which is used to stand for the English words if, followed by, later in the sentence, then. Then finally, we're going to need some punctuation when the formulas get a little bit more complex. We will use right and left parentheses, we will use right and left square brackets, and right and left braces as needed as punctuation in our logical formulas. These different types of punctuation all mean the same thing. We just use different types to help keep complicated formulas straight and help make them more readable. We could use just parentheses all the time, and some logical systems do, but it makes it a lot more readable if we have a combination of different punctuation symbols.